I knew it! I knew it was gonna be the hurricane! I knew it was gonna be the hurricane, guys! I knew it would be the hurricane! I knew it would be the hurricane! I knew it would be the hurricane!
See, I told you, SirenCon 2023.
Yeah, that's what I said, because they brought the hurricane.
But you need to be staying in a safe location so that we can get these sirens into the sounding area safely. Again, and everybody can be excited, but you need to stay in a safe area. Thank you.
Yo! Oh, that's the one from Addison, Ohio. Yeah. That's the one from Addison, Ohio, or Addistown, whatever it is.
Oh my god, and it has a blower.
5, 4,
3, 2, 1. It's 10:12. It's 10:12.
All right, that's the alert portion. We'll start the attack. All right, so who can tell me the difference between this one and a normal one? Thank you.
It's 10:12.
Yeah, 10-12.
What? That I was not expecting that. Wait, is the hurricane dying?
No, the rotator just failed.
Oh.